So hey guys, the nice people from Adata have given me one of these external hard drives and they've allowed me to give it away. So if you guys want to find out about how you can win one of these, then just stay tuned. Now, we're going to talk all things data storage. Data storage plays a huge role in our lives. Personally, I use hard drives for everything from my personal stuff to my profession, like CVs, work, rough drafts, pictures, anything that I need to make my work life that much easier. So you always need a hard drive somewhere stored so that you can use all that data and store it for yourself. Now the best thing that comes with data storage is that it kind of acts like a safeguard for all the information that you need for the rest of your life. You have old photo albums on there, you have old documents, you have everything that you need that essentially makes you who you are on a hard drive somewhere hidden. And that's why we have backups for some of the stuff. That's why some of us have backups of backups and backups of backups of backups. But the problem is, what happens when your backup breaks? What happens when your backup burns and your backup somehow vanishes because, I don't know, someone was in your house doing funny things and we don't really talk about it. Now, Adata has tried to mitigate that by giving us one of these. This is the Adata HD710 Pro. It's a 1 terabyte hard drive, external hard drive. So you can take it on the go, put your data on here. It takes up to 1 terabyte of storage, really nifty stuff. So the nice thing about it is that Adata boasts that it has beyond military standard shockproof. We've got IP68, dustproof and waterproof. And the best thing about it, it's got this rubber shell to protect it. Essentially, I can do whatever I want with this thing and it won't break, it won't like falter or anything like that. It can withstand anything. So I can drop it from wherever I want, I can put it in water and it won't break. And essentially that's what I need, because I personally had an experience where we had hard drives that acted as backups for other hard drives and we didn't really treat it nicely. Like I kind of threw it around and I put it on the bed and stuff like that because I just knew like it's not gonna break, and eventually it did break inside, and that was a problem because I lost all my data, stuff that I needed for the rest of my life that I'll never get back. And now that Adata has given me one of these, I think I might not lose anything. So I want to put it to the test. So what I've got is a bowl of water behind me and I'm just gonna dump this in there while I talk to you guys about data storage. So first of all, I want to make sure it's safe, everything is sealed, there's no holes, because it can break, but that's if you're dumb. So I'm gonna put it in this bowl of water behind me. You guys can see it floating. Pretty deep. It's pretty deep in there, and I will zoom in a moment. So that's the bowl of water that we've got it in. I've got another copy though. That's the one you're gonna get, so don't stress about it. If that one breaks, which it won't, I've got a safety cover. So I use this on a film set. We shot a short film, a 48-hour short film called The Nudge, where I had a team of guys that we kind of had to create a film, edit a film, and submit a film in 48 hours. We had a few criteria and a few things that we had to use, like key props, key line and stuff like that. And it was actually really, really hectic in those 48 hours. Luckily, I had one of these in time so that we could use it on set. One thing that you need when it comes on set with a film production crew is someone who does data in transmission. And that means once everyone is done shooting a scene or a take or something like that, we gather all the memory cards, put them on a laptop, and then put them on a drive just in case for backup. And that's what we use that thing for. I didn't experience any problems. It was pretty fast, it was pretty solid. I'm not too sure what I can say. Like, it's a hard drive, you can take it on the go, it's fast, it's not bad, it's shockproof, it's dustproof, it's waterproof. And I was pretty impressed as to the fact that it stacks all those features, the dustproof, waterproof, and shockproof, and still acts like a normal, good, solid hard drive, right? So that's one thing you need to know. It fits very comfortably in your hand. It's 2.5 inches diagonally, so it's not that bad. The packaging is really nice. It's really comfortable. You can really feel the rubber. Now, the rubber doesn't actually cover the whole surface. There's a few points in the surface that are actually just the hard drive itself. However, the hard drive is designed in such a way that the surface will never touch the ground, say it falls. If you throw it against the wall, if you throw it, or if you do whatever you want with the hard drive, I'm not too sure why you would be throwing hard drives against walls or something like that, unless you kind of rage because you played a game and something happened, or it doesn't work, or I don't know what's happening. So there's no need for you to throw this thing. But if you decide to do something like that, it can withstand it. It's designed in such a way that the surface of the actual hard drive never touches any wall or floor or anything like that. It's perfectly designed for something like that. I'm gonna take that thing out of the water, put it in my laptop, and see whether it still works. This will be the final tester. If it doesn't, Adata, we have a problem. So let's do that now.
So I've got the water right here. So I'm just quickly gonna dry it, make sure everything is fine. I don't wanna I don't know, I'm scared, man. So I'm gonna dry everything up. Just drying everything up with my pink towel on a blue hard drive.
So you guys can see, it's fairly dry. Just need this to fall. Oh, it's leaking water. Ooh. Sam, did you do the right thing, Sam? Did you do the right thing, Sam? It's a problem. It keeps leaking water. So I'm guessing that's coming from the socket. Okay. So I've popped the socket open. I'm just gonna dry it before I put in the cable. It's a bit scary now. But this is the decider whether this thing actually works or not in regards to waterproof. Okay, so I'm done drying it. Just gonna, water is actually coming out the socket. Oof, this could be a problem. This could be a problem. But I'm just gonna dry it, all right? And then we're gonna try it out. So, wait. There's still water coming out. I'm so scared. Okay. We should be good. Okay, we should be good. All right, so I'm just gonna plug this cable in. It comes with this cable, so don't stress about that. And we're gonna give this thing a go. So as you can see, I've got it on my laptop. Boom, it works perfectly. So, it works just fine. This is the film that we shot, and you guys can actually check it out. I've got the Facebook link below in the description, so you guys can go check that out and go support us there. But we shot the film on this hard drive, so we've proven that it's waterproof. In regards to shockproof, I can't really say whether it can break or not, but I'm just gonna oh, that fell on my bed, so that's a fail. But I think you can hear that I threw it on the wall and it hit the floor. I'm gonna do it again. So I'm gonna throw it one more time. What? To talk about the competition. Now, if you guys wanna win one of these, I'm gonna be giving away the yellow one. So I'm gonna be giving away this yellow one. It's unboxed, it's still perfect. I haven't touched it, I haven't thrown it, I haven't put it in water. The other one is in water right now. I'm gonna be giving away the yellow one. And all you guys have to do is actually subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then comment down below what was your worst external hard drive experience. What data did you lose that literally had you driving up the wall? Like I said previously, I lost all the data, all my films, all my vlogs, everything that I ever did was just lost because I threw it around. So tell me what you lost and how you lost it. What happened? Did it get stolen or anything like that? I'll be looking and reading all your comments and I'll give it to anybody. This competition is only available to South Africans, so you have to be in South Africa to be eligible to win this hard drive. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it, and then also comment down below what was your worst experience when it came to external hard drives. What did you lose? How did you lose it? What did you do? And why do you want this external hard drive? And what will you be doing with it? I'll be reading all the comments down below and I'll pick a winner by the end of November. So be sure to submit your comments so that I can see them. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys want to see me do more of these videos, then you can go and support me on Patreon. I've got the whole full-time content creator 2019 initiative going, where I want to be a full-time content creator in 2019, and you guys can help me achieve that goal by checking out my Patreon and pledging for as little as $1 a month. If everybody comes together and helps me out with that, then it can go a long way. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have hit that like button. At 30 likes, I'll release the next video. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Enjoy your days.